Good morning from Trot HQ. Busy week ahead. We got 12 bikes to get through this week. First one of the day, new client with his Yamaha MT07. 10,000 miles. He's getting ready to sell it. She has never been properly protected. This right here, folks, is why it's so important to keep your bike properly minted and protected. I could prevent all of this. This has only got 10,000 miles. He is getting ready to sell it. I'm not going to sell it in this state. She is hanging. Like I said, I could have prevented all this for a very small investment. Keep your bike looking its finest. Much easier to prevent corrosion than rectify it. This is a mess. Oh my goodness. First one of the day, always jump into the deep end. Let's get cracking. Let's get it washed. We got loads of nuts and bolts and bits and pieces to paint on this before we put any corrosion protection. She is hanging. Anyway, wish me luck. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. 3.5 hours later, Trot Magic Wand strikes again. Yamaha MT07, now fully trotted and looking a different bike. This was quite a state, not had any protection on it, if ever. Now fully minted. It's not perfect by any means, but painted loads of bits and pieces. It's got a good old coating of XCP corrosion protection on it now. Should neutralize any rust and prevent any further. All that chain's all been serviced, all your nuts and bolts, look, they've got a good old brushing of XCP. I lightly sanded the wheels, painted those all up underneath. Wasn't much I could do with that collector box. It was pretty rusty, but I've done the best I can. All the motor has all been meticulously cleaned, painted rusty nuts and bolts, and then put a good coating of XCP on it. Same with all these banjo bolts, all of it's proper corroded, but now all minted. Nice coating of XCP. Don't let your bike get like this. Get it trotted before the winter. I could have prevented all that rust. If you're buying something new, make sure you get it to me. Get it protected. Like I said, these are fantastic little bikes, but they do corrode if they're not got any proper protection on it. Anyways, this is done. 3.5 hours. Get yours booked in now. We're open 6 days a week. Satisfaction always guaranteed. 07966 249 963.